Hello everyone. So just now I will tell you how to use the Google Classroom for your internal assessment through your mobile phone. First you have to download the Google Classroom app through Play Store and log in through your Gmail account what you have given for the classroom. Once you log in and click on the classroom, it will show you two classes. If you have joined two classes, one you already a member OTPT 2019 batch, another I have created for the internal assessment. For demo purpose I have created another class, learning by collaboration. So this in this dummy class I have uploaded something to show you. So after login, just click on the classroom, then it will show the stream, means notifications. So you will see all the notification. Here you can see new material, attendance sheet, new assessment, all things are available. But you have to go into the classroom, classwork, which is a second lower icon. Click on the classwork, then it will show you what are the things are uploaded in your class. Here you can see the notebook icon which show the attendance sheet for theory examination. Similarly, once I uploaded, it will show you preliminary theory examination. So to access this theory question paper, you have to click on this theory paper, then it will show you paper here, then click on the paper, it will show you paper. It will be available in your mobile phone. You can screenshot and keep it with you for your further reference. Come back. So this is how you going to access. Once you get the question paper, then you have to give your attendance. Click on the attendance sheet for theory examination. Then there is a Google form here. Click on it. The Google form will be open. Here you have to give the attendance, means you have to enter your email address, your roll number, means it will start from 195 for OTPT, 196 for PT, and 195 for the OT, and for the repeater there are separate number that I am going to share you. After entering roll number, name, and then you have to accept that you have received your question paper, and then you have to submit. Click on the submit button, so your attendance will be submitted. So that is how you are going to mark your attendance. Go back to this. Okay, come back to the class. After finishing your paper, then you have to upload your answer sheets. Then how you go with your answer sheet? You segregate your answer sheet question wise, means 3 mark question, question number 1, take photograph or convert into the PDF through various software. If you are using Cam Scanner, Adobe Scan, they are good, so you can use those software through your mobile phone. So after scanning, you have to convert into the PDF or rename it. After renaming, means for the question number 1, the file name is your roll number, your name. For example, for OT roll number 1, 9195001, ABC the name, and question number 1. Question number 1 for this. Similarly, you have to scan for the question number 2, the question number 3 and question number 4. We are doing it to reduce the size of the file. Otherwise, if you are uploading all the question 4 in one file, the size of the file will be quite large and it will make it difficult to upload. So that is why we are asking you upload question wise. Scan answer of question number 1, scan all the answer for question number 2, scan all the questions answers for the question number 3, scan all the answer for the question number 4. Now once you are ready with your answers, then you have to click on, for example, here I already submitted this question answer sheet. So once you click, it will show here turn in. The lower right hand side you can see turn in. If you are uploaded, it will show you turn in. Let's go for the question 2 where I have not uploaded. Once you click on the question number 2, it will show the answer of the question number 2 preliminary examination, and then there are instruction here. Scan the all pages where you have written the answer for the question number 2 and upload it in PDF form here only. So here you are not able to see the add file. There is a on the lower side your work and assign. There is a arrow here. This arrow. Click on the arrow. Once you click, your work assign will go away and then you will get the add attachment. Click on add attachment. Then click on the file and then you have to give the path for the file. Okay. If it is in CAM scanner, go to your CAM scanner folder and and then search for the named file. For example, click add attachment, file, go to the CAM scanner and look for your file. Okay, I created a file. It's not showing here. Okay, so for example, here take one file, an example. For example, I have taken this, then open it. Once the file is uploaded, you have to click on turn in. So just upload one file and then click on turn in. Then it will ask one attachment will be submitted for the answer of question number 2 in of preliminary examination. Then click on turn in. Once your question is submitted, the lower icon unsubmit button will become. Don't press unsubmit button. If you press unsubmit button, whatever you have submitted will go away. And after submitting, you can see in the top you will see there is a turn in. You can click arrow. Here you also see the turn in. Okay, so that is a one way of submitting your answer sheet. Another simplest way to submit is come out from the class, scan, go to the CAM scanner or whatever the software you are using. For example, I am going CAM scanner. Okay, I have created here 19500, or I am creating for you another file. Click, scan it. Okay, click, and you can add multiple file by clicking the camera. I think you already know this thing. Then go back, Same way, create all the file. Wait for the file to be uploaded. You can see the files are uploading here. You can see once the file is uploaded, you can see the cloud, like green cloud appear and the tick icon will come. So wait for this green and cloud come along with the tick. Then you can rename the file. For example, I will show in this file. Click on the three icon more button on the right lower side, and then rename will come. The rename, for example, I will rename it for the roll number 2. Okay, so this is the file here. Okay, you can see now another file is ready now in the cloud. Once your file is ready, all the files are ready, click here, press the share button on the lower left side and click on more button. Start generating. If it's showing generating link, don't upload. Only okay. Here you can see this is the I will rename it. Rename 195001. Your name ABCD and question number 2. Okay, again it's not share move. So again it is generating the link. So we don't want the file which is showing the generating link. Okay, now it is completed. So it will show share via. Click on the classroom, then it will show attached to the assignment. Click on the attached to the assignment. It will show you what are the assignment remaining. Means, for example, for this I have left with the 2 assignment. Answer number of the question number 3 of preliminary examination, answer number of question 4 the preliminary examination. So whatever, if the question number 4 is there, click on the question number 4 and add attachment. Sorry, there is something problem.